Welcome to today's exciting topic, the architecture of the future in 2023. As technology and society continue to evolve, so too does the way we design and build our cities. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the most innovative and breathtaking architectural designs that are set to shape the cities of the future. From sustainable materials to mind-bending shapes, we've got it all covered. So let's dive in and explore the architecture of the future. First on our list is the rise of sustainable architecture. With the ever-growing concern for the environment, architects are looking for ways to incorporate sustainable materials and designs into their buildings. From using recycled materials to designing green roofs, buildings of the future are set to be more eco-friendly and energy efficient than ever before. One notable example of this trend is the Bosco Verticale in Milan, Italy, which features over 900 trees and 20,000 plants, helping to reduce the building's carbon footprint and improve air quality. Next up, we have the concept of vertical cities. With land becoming increasingly scarce in urban areas, architects are turning to the skies to create vertical cities that take advantage of every inch of space. Imagine a city where you can live, work, and play all within the same towering building. With innovative designs such as stacked modules and modular apartments, vertical cities are set to be the future of urban living. One example of this trend is the Ocia Hotel in Singapore, which features a lush green facade and over 21 different species of plants, making it a standout in the city's skyline. Another trend that is set to shape the future of architecture is the use of advanced technologies such as 3D printing. With 3D printing, architects can create complex structures and shapes that were once impossible to build. This technology is already being used to create prototypes and scale models of buildings, and it's only a matter of time before it becomes a mainstream construction method. In fact, the world's first 3D printed office building was completed in Dubai in 2016, demonstrating the potential of this technology in the world of architecture. Another trend that is set to shape the future of architecture is the use of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. With AR and VR, architects can create immersive and interactive experiences that allow clients and stakeholders to see and experience a building before it's even constructed. This technology is also being used to train architects and construction workers, allowing them to practice and perfect their skills in a simulated environment. One notable example of this trend is the use of AR by the construction company Mortenson, which uses Microsoft HoloLens to visualize designs and make construction more efficient and precise. Last but not least, we have the rise of smart cities. With the help of the Internet of Things, IoT, cities of the future will be able to gather and analyze data to improve the quality of life for their citizens. From smart traffic lights to automated waste management systems, the possibilities are endless. One example of this trend is the city of Barcelona, which has implemented smart streetlights that adjust their brightness based on the presence of people and vehicles, helping to save energy and reduce light pollution. So there you have it, the architecture of the future in 2023. From sustainability to vertical living, 3D printing to smart cities, the future of architecture is exciting and full of possibilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can only imagine the amazing structures and designs that are yet to come. And we'll see you in the future. What do you think will be an important part of the future architecture? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.